best
Wow.
yellow flanks. Bloody beautiful fish. Here we are. Emily Reef. Famous shipwreck. First cast. There we go. Yep, I'm on. Oh, I fell off.
Hey guys.
G'day.
We're out in the boat again today. We're heading out to the shelf, so we've sort of just stopped here at this shipwreck.
On Emily Reef, pretty crazy.
So I've had a few casts here.
Lost the GT, so not a too good start, but
Yeah, but this
sure
wreck's
there's more to come.
really cool. Hey, like, wow. You feel like can see inside it, eh? It's insane. But yeah, so we're gonna go camping tonight. Gonna go to an island and camp. So I've got everything ready. Have a day at the shelf and then head back.
Yeah,
Camp for the night and then head home tomorrow. So hope we get a few fish and yeah, we'll take you along. But yeah, to admire this wreck with us. There's a lot of history about this wreck. I think it got stuck on this reef and then he decided this is where he wants to live, I think.
Yeah, I think the bloke got sent off Australia. Like, he wasn't allowed in Australia anymore.
Yeah. Like,
We've got to look it up when we get home.
yeah, we'll look more at home. Can't speak. But it's pretty crazy.
Wanted to catch a fish here.
Yeah, it'd be cool to go snorkeling, but we've seen quite a few jellyfish.
Heaps of jellyfish.
So I can't see any here, but just over there was some. So we're like, maybe we shouldn't jump in the water.
No.
In case we don't want to get stung and then it ruins our day. But yeah. Alright, we'll take you along.
The Emily Reef shipwreck was deliberately run onto the reef by Richard Brooks in 1987 because he wasn't allowed to stay in Australian waters no more. At this point, Emily Reef was foreign waters, so him and his wife lived on there for quite some time, a couple of years in fact. Go on. Chantel's on. Little, must be on a little. You got it, it's a trouty, I think. Oh no, it's a red bass. Red bass, Shan. Yes. Woohoo, yeah. Oh. Red bass.
Have we ever got one of them?
No. It's only a little one, but still it's a red bass. Chantel with a nice little red bass. That's a first for the boat. So I always wanted to get one, but Chantel got one before me. How good's that? Bloody oath. That one? Chantel's on again. What have you got this time? Little emperor. Chantel the fish whisperer.
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
You got? Little one. Chantel the fish whisperer. Oh, I got a trouty. Oh no, that's another red bass.
Oh, the bass?
Oh no, what is it? I've got no clue what that is.
Really?
I don't know what that is.
Very pink.
Red emperor. I don't know what it is, eh?
Really?
Don't know. I have no clue. I'll have a look. Wait, what? What the?
Careful, yep.
What is that? No clue what that is, Chantel. Anyone in the comments name that fish? Because I've got no clue. It's like an emperor slash nanny slash. Look at this eye on it. Look at me. It's a crazy looking fish. Want to have a hold up of your fish?
Oh, I'll probably drop it.
That's a crazy looking critter. I don't know. Oh, yep. Oh my god, what is it? It's a bigger red bass. Woohoo! Yes! Oh well. Red bass. Always wanted to get one, and I got one. Alright, nice red bass. Now we both got one, so bloody stoked. Never got one before. They're crazy critter. They're sort of like a mangrove jack, but I reckon a bit more crazier. Aren't they beautiful? You beauty.
Fish straight away.
What it is, that smells. I think it's a little bit too. Crazy on the wide rod. Alright, little GT on 20-pound line. Yeah, mate.
I had to jump in the water. I haven't seen any jellyfish and they're not.
Probably jump. Probably jump in. Jump out again.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, deep red bass. Oh, woohoo! Salt and rod doing the damage. Woo! Yeah, like an absolute steam train. Glad the GoPro's working again. Had me up in the reef for a little bit. Jesus. A crazy critter.
Big, isn't it?
The bloody rip of that one. Right, releasing this beautiful fish. So excited.
Really nice coloured water, eh? What the fuck? What's happening?
Soft plastic again. Going through that many. Just went through a whole pack. Down to my last one now. Down to my last gulp. Watch it get destroyed. Didn't even have to wind it.
Really?
Just ate it on the drop. No smell of it. We get a big end, right? We're going to eat it. We're starting to. We're catching cook tonight. So.
We didn't bring any meat for dinner.
Yeah, so pressure's on. We've got GT, which you can eat, but not the best. Red bass you're not allowed to take. And heaps of these little things so far. So trout would be lovely. Alright, try and get another one. Bigger. Oh my god! Tell me, look what's going again. Are you kidding?
I do.
Huh. How did I not hook up? Like, look at that. It's happened like 5 times. Try again. Open another pack of soft plastics. See if I can go through this pack. I think I just set a record for a pack of plastics. A pack of plastics in 5 minutes. Chantel's on. No. I think I'll. No. Oh!
Oh, for fuck's red!
Oh my god!
It was on mine. Oh, it still is. Oh no. Yeah, it's gone. It was red, whatever. Like, probably just bass, hey.
Just the bass.
Just bass, we need a trout.
Right. Kill for a bass this morning. It's crazy how they're in little areas, the fish. Yep. Oh my god! Fuck, this reef looks good.
Oh, Mike, just push me out of the way.
Oh, straight on.
Oh, well.
Fell off! Ready. Oh.
Did you get one? Yay! Oh no! Did it beat you off?
It got me in a reef there. Oh my god!
That was a good one too, hey?
Straight into that rock.
Yep.
Good one? Yeah, that's a trout or something. Yes, man. Go, Chantel. Fish. Go hard as you can. Just go hard as you can. You're going really well. You're going really well. You're going really well, Chantel. Oh, I can see it. It's a. Oh, Mike, you've got a rash, Chantel.
What do I do?
See, keep going hard. You're going well. You're going well. You're probably gonna get done. Oh, you had a wrasse.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Massive!
that's like my top of the bucket list for me to catch.
I couldn't do it anymore.
No, you've done really well. You couldn't do anything wrong. Wow.
I lost the lure.
He lost everything. I knew that was going to happen, but far out.
Big, eh?
Yeah. They're like the unicorn of the reef, Chantel. I thought you had it, eh? I wish I got it on
It
my
was
rod.
right there. I'm like, I couldn't. And then it ran. I couldn't stop it when it started running, eh?
No, you done nothing wrong. It's too light a gear for the size of
it. Would have been sweet, hey?
Yeah, but it's just too strong. They're very strong fish.
So that.
Far out. A wrasse.
Wow.
Oh, we'll have to rig up and go again.
That was like on the outskirts of that deep, hey?
Yeah. I thought, it must be a big GT, and I seen a big black thing.
So did I. I was like, whoa, I've never seen something like that before.
They're like, it's everyone's bucket list fish, especially that size. That was a pretty good one. They grow like ginormous, but.
Can you eat them or not?
Nah, the same thing as the bass. You gotta let them go. But far out, that was crazy to even hook one.
Them too today.
That's my indoor. Well, back to the drawing board. Yep, go Chantel. Good fish, go hard. Yes, Shan. Woo! Nice.
That didn't take too long.
That's good. Right, Chantel, with dinner, providing the goods.
I got dinner.
Bloody oath, it's good trout, so that's more than dinner.
Yeah.
Alright, put him on ice and sweet, you can fillet it as well, Shan.
Is it a smart copper? Oh! Big trout! Big trout! Holy shit! That was 2 trout, eh?
Got that on camera?
Yeah. I had a feeling something was going to happen. Fuck, here we are, like, not getting any trout, and we've got fucking 2.
This one's massive. Look at that red bass.
Oh, is it?
Oh no, it's not a bass. It's a bass.
Oh,
Off the top
big.
too.
Woohoo. Wow.
That's a big one. Woo!
Look
Yeah.
at that! Wow.
On a popper too.
That is crazy.
That was a wild take, wasn't it?
Yeah. He's excited about it. That is a big fish.
Watch me lose it.
I thought it was a big trout, eh? Wow.
That's a good one, that one.
That is massive. Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Watch out.
Trout.
Fucking hell.
Stuff everywhere.
Trout in the background, a bass on the ground.
That's what you saw.
Wow.
It's one of your best,
Whoa.
best fish of the year, I reckon. That one.
That is massive.
What a rip.
Woohoo. Okay.
Alright, bloody hell. Probably my best fish of the year, I reckon. Right.
Mats.
We've got bloody trout on the ground. Come on, mate. Get in.
Okay.
Harder. Oh, on me. Yeah.
Good?
Yeah, right. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, mate.
Whoa.
Oh, I get sharks. What's going on? Oh my god.
What is it?
No.
Oh shit, should I be filming you?
Oh no, it's a big shark trying to eat it or something else trying to eat it. What? Look at that.
Okay, maybe I should get my phone out just in case something crazy happens to get it on record.
Oh,
Oh!
there's rainbow runner.
What's that?
Oh, there's massive tuna.
Okay, what have you got?
A rainbow runner.
Is that good?
Yeah. It's crazy.
What do you want me to do?
There's like massive tuna here.
Okay.
I don't know what they are. I think they're massive long tail.
Okay, so do you want me to get... Okay. What do you want me to do? I'm very confused.
I don't know what to do either.
So is this a good fish?
A rainbow runner. I don't know. I've never caught one.
Okay.
Huge tuna there. I swear the tuna were trying to eat this.
You thought it was a shark,
No, they're like 20 kilo tunas.
Where...
I don't know where they're all gone now. I
Yeah.
just scared them all. Oh my god, I'm like, my heart's on dun 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 dun
Okay,
dun.
well... I'll throw a few casts out. I didn't know I needed to... I was like, do I get the phone recording for like reels for Instagram?
Oh, that's mad,
I
eh?
didn't know what to do.
I think that's a rainbow runner. Never caught one of them before. Crazy. It's sort of like a yellowtail kingfish. But yeah, it went pretty hard. There was just massive tuna chasing it. I don't know. They might have been yellowfin tuna. I don't know. We're pretty. Oh, I'm just like shaking and going mad at the moment. They were like 20 kilo tuna. Like huge. I don't think they were long
They were
tail.
getting sharp.
No, they were tuna chasing
That's
these.
what I'm saying.
Massive tuna. Oh, I'm shaking. Oh, I'll get this back in the water. See you, mate.
dinner. Tick.
Massive
We've-
red bass.
Yeah. We've fished on the flats for ages. No trout, but then we come and jig. We're going to start jigging and then we got a trout and then it's just been crazy.
I know fish are busting up. We didn't know what they were. Rainbow runner.
We thought they were going to be GTs.
Yeah, I don't know what they were. I don't know, but I seen like 5 tuna chasing that rainbow runner into the boat. They would have been like 20, at least 20. I'm saying 20. We thought they were sharks. I'm getting sharks. But
Oh, I just seen a big jump over there.
Yeah.
So now we're just seeing if we can see any other like bust ups to like get these big tuna. Otherwise, I think we're gonna
Imagine getting a yellowfin.
go back to jigging.
They weren't long tails. They were too big to be.
And we
long
haven't
tails.
even bait fish yet. We wanted to bait fish as well before we go to the island. But sort of
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
running out of time. What time is it? Let me see the time. 1:15. Like the latest we want to get to the island is like 4. So we're gonna start driving like 3, just after 3.
It's about at least 30 k's from the island as well. So
What's this big bit? Someone's littered. Thought it might be like a fucking lure or something. But yeah.
to refuel as well.
So yeah, we need to put more fuel in the boat.
We've done a lot of k's today. Not really that much fishing, really. A fair bit.
No,
but-
it's been driving, but it's been good. It hasn't been like crazy hot. Well, right in front, tuna. Okay. Oh, we don't know. Who's this? A splash? Okay, they probably are tuna. Okay. You always have to cast where I'm gonna cast.
What, where the fish are?
Yeah, where the fish are. Oh!
Come on!
What do I do?
Just calm down. Loosen the drag. We're away from a lot of stuff. Alright, we're good. We're good. What is it? It's not a yellowfin.
Huh?
It's some crazy fish.
What? Like what?
I don't know. Big. Oh, it's a bluefin trevally.
Is that good?
Yeah, they're crazy. Oh, Chantel, we're having a good day now. Big barrels there.
Okay.
Smart me.
I can't sort of get it because everything's in my way. Can you grab it in?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Mart, shush! Oh, they're busting up again.
There's big barrels there. I swear they're massive tuna.
Those are cool trevally.
No,
I've never caught one of them.
I have a little one.
Woo! Alright. Alright, that's the fish I got.
Big bluefin
Oh, alright.
trevally. That's alright. You're going well. Look at that, Chantel's trevally. How beautiful. Look at those yellow flanks. Bloody beautiful fish. We get a bit excited when we catch fish. You may have noticed. Especially me. Or even Chantel,
I was
actually.
like screaming.
I thought it was a yellowfin.
Ready?
Let's go and get some more. I swear there's yellowfin tuna there.
Alright.
See him on the top of the water?
Yeah. Got one?
Yeah. Oh!
Did you lose it?
Yeah.
It's there.
Oh,
though.
there's a red bass on it now. Oh, this is silly. There's big GTs there as well. That's what I think I had. Yep.
Am I over you?
Yeah, I'm on. We're both on. What are they? They're just little nappies. Oh, fell off. Mine fell off.
No, they're not nappies.
Oh, they're queens. Oh,
My queen fish.
Look at them all, there's GTs, there's bangers, there's here. Oh my god, there's a shark, it's everything.
Boy, I've got the best one. A fucking croc. Watch for the crocodile.
Fish under us. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my, I've never seen fishing like this in my life. It's ridiculous. Look, there's like 1,000 fish under us.
And then look ahead, all the birds.
Look at all this, like 50 fish on my lure.
What is it?
Yeah, look. Oh. Look at this.
Look at it.
Oh.
I need to like film.
This is ridiculous.
No way.
Where are those massive tuna again?
Okay, let's film me.
Oh, big GT on me, big GT.
Really?
Big black. Oh!
I was...
Did you get it?
No, I put my phone away. I was like, oh, I'll have a cast.
GoPro, get it?
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna go. Big one, eh?
I've seen it. Mites.
It was insane. Jesus Christ, give me a curry.
Oh, I can see it. Is that it already?
Oh, look at the fish over there now. Oh, my back. Oh. So lucky I got back up. Far out.
Whoa.
Oh,
Good fish.
good man.
Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Shit.
We got him.
Okay. Well, line's out, so that's good. Okay, now.
That's my biggest GT.
Wow.
We got him.
That is big. Oh, that is a monster.
Proper GT.
Wow. Look at that. So we're gonna get some trawling rods ready, and then we're gonna trawl out here, and then on the way sort of trawl a little bit and then drive to the island
Yep.
to pull up for camp for the night.
That looks like a bit of a rainbow runner, that one.
Hopefully we can pick up something. There's not many fish out here, so we're thinking we should be able to get something. So, Smarky. Yeah, we've been mentioning Smarky a lot. So he gifted us a few rods and some real lures, so testing them out and getting some content.
The rods are awesome. They're like
The rods
this
are really good.
Chantel rod. Where's Chantel's rod?
Oh, the
This
back one.
This one's like a deadly combo for out in the reef for trout,
Mm.
small GTs. So
They're very
good.
nice to cast
nice.
with. So, yeah, so we're gonna get some Smarky trawling lures on and hopefully pick up a big mackerel.
Oh, those bloody tunas, I think.
Oh yeah, he keeps going on about these tunas. Okay. Alright, well that's done then. Here's.
Storms rolling over.
We're on a storm. We've had so much rain.